friends, I want to show you this necklace. As you can see, came in this box. The box is beautiful, it's elegant, and when you open it, you found this. There are two necklaces inside and comes with this card that you can use it to write your best wishes and give it like a gift. So the box comes with two necklaces. Both are made of white gold. We have this. This is the first one. And this have a key, as you can see. So if you're gonna buy this for a gift, you can put it on it right here. You can put it in the box and use the card with your best wishes for a gift. You can use it for a birthday gift, Christmas gift, or another special date. This is the other one. This necklace have a heart, a beautiful heart, as you can see. And as you can see, I have a message here that says, I love you for always and forever. You can use it together like this. And we want to use both. Ready? You're beautiful together. As you can see, this necklace is perfect, like an accessory for any occasion. So buy yours for you or that special person. See you.